Okay, so before we proceed to the module 4, or the week 4 rather, so again, is there anyone who has a question or clarification under week 1 and 2? Or wait a second. Wait. All right, so sorry for that. Okay, so going back to the week 1 and 2. So does anyone has a question or clarification so far?
And so far, sir.
What about the others?
None, sir.
Yes, ma'am. All right. So what about the quiz in theory of quiz? This one right here. So are you guys doing good? Well, the due date for this one is until today only. Well, I'm pretty sure that most of you, let's say maybe half or most of you are already done taking this theory of quiz. So did you guys did great on this quiz? For those who were able to finish this one. Okay. So sa mga hindi pa tapos, of course, uh, don't know yet. So, did you guys get a high score?
Not really, sir. Ata.
Not really, sir.
So the highest score was actually 77%, and average score is 45%. Well, I'm not pretty sure with this one, the lowest score and the lowest score. But yeah, that is the score for most of you guys, 45%. So here's what we'll do since paano ba to? One of your, I don't know if this is that section. I think yeah, this is the that section. One of your classmates tried to convince me if I can give him or her another chance to take the just quiz. So I was actually thinking about that last day or yesterday. So I decided to give you guys one more chance. Okay, so for those who were able to take this quiz, so you'll be given another chance. And then for those who haven't taken this quiz yet, so you will have a total of two chances. Okay, so I'm not just sure if this will, effective right away, but instead of one attempt only, I'll give you guys 2 attempts. And the due date will stay the same. It's until today only. But instead of having 1 take, well, you guys will have 2 chance, okay, to take this. All right. So just let me know if you guys will be able to, have the another chance later on. But yeah, that would be for later. Once you are already ready in taking the creative stuff again or the quiz again. Okay. So are we good now with the creative slot quiz?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. And then the score ticket will be the highest. So whichever attempt will be the highest one, or the higher one will be the one that will be recorded. Okay. All right. So for today's meeting, well, I already did publish the module 4, so just check this one out later on. Well, I'm pretty sure they guys already checked this one, but an additional one is the video for the Maxwell loop itself. This is just a 1 hour and 10-minute video discussing the entire module 4. Okay, so just watch this one later on. And yeah, just like what I mentioned last week or last meeting, that you're going to have a quiz for the Maxwell quiz. So the due date for this one will be on June 6th, so that would be a week from now. Okay, so it is now available today and then will be due on June 6th. Okay, so for this one, since I think this has a lesser items, I think 2 items only, and then this is only a 70 points. So we'll see, okay? And I think that this is a lot easier than the creative slot. Okay, once you learn the basics of creative slot, then this is already a lot easier. Okay, because I'm pretty sure that this Maxwell loop has a lesser equations compared to creative slot. Okay. So yeah, that's making this one an easier topic compared to the creative slot. Well, of course, you cannot jump right away to Maxwell unless you learn first the creative slot. That is why it should be KCL or KBL first before the Maxwell. Okay, because 90% we are the same with each other, 80 to 90% maybe. And yeah, that is all for now. And then next week I'll just publish the week 5 and 6. So yeah, that is all that we're going to have for now. So before we end our meeting, again, do you guys have a question?
Sir, follow up pala doon sa basis ng module natin na hindi mo makuha nun, sir.
Basis now?
Yung book ata yun, sir.
Wala. Oo nga eh. Actually, I tried finding yung isa, yung sa Siskin, kay Charles Siskin, because that is the book that I've used for this entire module. However, this one is also helpful. Maybe 50% to 70% they are the same. So I cannot find a free version, that specific version of Siskin anymore. So before it has a free version. But right now, in most cases, you have to buy via Lazada, via online shopping books. So that is why I wasn't able to put that one here anymore. Okay, but just in case that you guys were able to find a working link, which is free, of course, then just share it to me so I can share it to your classmates also. So for now, this is the only working free ebook that we have. Is one. So anyway, this is also super informative. It's almost complete already. Actually, it's complete. This, of course, it has its own way of explaining things. It has its own way of giving examples and then maybe activities. But yeah, all in all, this one is a good ebook also. Okay, so starting from the onslaught, historical, George Simon and so on and so forth. So just check this one out also, okay?
Okay, sir.
So if you guys don't have any other question anymore, then yeah, that's it. Just a 10 minute meeting for today. So yeah, let's just meet again tomorrow for those who has a laboratory. So again, we'll just finalize your lab number 4. And then after that, you guys may go home, right? Okay, don't forget to do the simulation part also, okay? So that's an individual activity or laboratory, okay? So for the tail device testing, partly it's by group, but for the part A, it's individual, okay? So yeah, that is just for today, and goodbye. You guys may go now. Bless the day, Talab.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Bye, sir. Love you,
Goodbye.
sir.
We
Thank
will
you,
have
sir.
to meet tomorrow. Okay. Question from us, Mr. Hyde. Are we not going to meet for FF mode? We're going to meet tomorrow for your laboratory. Okay. So the same time, whatever is your group, then that is the only time you guys will attend or will go to school. Welcome.
Bye, sir. Have a good day, sir.
Same to you. Have a good evening.